7. We are in selection MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management, and today's topic, reverse mortgage. One of the important loans from the exam point of view. Very important. You will definitely get some questions on reverse mortgage. Okay. So what is reverse mortgage? Firstly, what is the reverse mortgage? One second. What is the reverse mortgage? Okay, let's understand that. Okay, then I'll go to the questions. Understand this. I'll show you over here itself. There are two types of loans. One is normal loan, which we take. What is normal loan? Normal. Okay. What do I do in normal loan? Bank gives me loan. Bank gives me loan. I am the customer. Right? So bank gives me loan for full amount, let's say 10 lakhs. Okay. 10 lakhs. And what do? I repay to the bank in EMI. I'll show these as EMI over here, right? EMI is of various amounts, right? I repay it. So that is the normal process. Now what is this reverse mortgage? Reverse mortgage is actually reverse. Okay. Here generally what happens, bank gives you the loan. Bank gives you the loan in EMIs. Bank doesn't give you full amount. Generally reverse mortgage is for this customer, and it is for whom? It is for that customer who is above 60 years of age. Okay, 60 years of age and no other income. So that's why, and the point over here is the customer will be having his own property in which he or she is living. That is important. And how will the customer repay that? The customer won't repay it. Once this customer expires, both the customers, here generally it's a joint loan with husband and wife. When both of them expire, after that the property is sold. Okay, the property is sold and then bank recovers it. So property is sold over here. Okay, so this is the way reverse mortgage works. It's actually reverse. Okay. Now you might say in exam, I'll tell you, there is an option available so that I can give the loan in one stroke also. Rather than this EMI, I can give lump sum also. But there's a limit for that. We'll see that. Okay. So you got the concept of reverse mortgage. Type yes in the comment section, everyone. Have you got it? Type yes in the comment section. Importantly remember, the main point over here is loan is given via EMIs to the customer above 60 years of age. Okay, means there is a limit for this, 60 years, and the other person should be minimum 55 years. Okay, and loan is repaid after the death of that customers and it is sold back, the property is sold. Okay, shall we move on now? Okay, chalo. The loan amount on the reverse mortgage will be based upon the market value of the property and could range from dash of the value of the property. So this loan amount will be based on what? 50 to 70, 60 to 90, 60 to 70 and 80 to 90. So this part will be similar to that of the normal loans. What do you say? Should I give the loan? Suppose you are the banker. Will you give the loan up to 90%? So that is out, 90 is out, this is out and this is out. Okay. So where do I give the loan? Should I give the loan up to 50 to 70% or 60 to 70%? I'll keep the broader range. So the loan will be given up to from 50 to 70%, right? So remember this, the loan amount will always be based on the value of that property and it could range between 50 to 70%. Clear? Simple? Move on. The maximum loan monthly payment under the reverse mortgage can be, means what is the monthly maximum amount this bank can give to this customer? Means what? What do you mean by this? See here, this is the bank. What did I tell you? This bank will give you EMIs to the customer, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these things, okay, up to the customer. Now in this part, what is the maximum EMI this bank can give? Maximum. Can the bank give this loan amount of per month? Can the bank give the loan amount of 1 lakh? Can it give 10 lakh? So what is the answer? What I say should be the answer? 50,000 per month, 50,000 per month to the bank, to the borrower. Now look at this, there is a confusion over here. 50,000 per month to the borrower, 50,000 per month to the bank, 1 lakh per month to the borrower, 1 lakh per month to the bank. So firstly, understand this. The point over here is the bank is giving loans in EMIs to the customer. So this to the bank is out. This B is out and D is out. Now what remains? Either A or C, means 50,000 per month to the borrower or 1 lakh per month to the borrower. Okay. So how much is the maximum amount as per the RBI norms? Maximum it is everyone. It's either A or C. Now see here. I am seeing many answers which are being typed. First somebody is typing A, then they are typing C. So one of them will be the answer, but obvious. Okay. So what should be the exact answer? Because in exam you need either A or C. It's not that I'll just go by fluke. Okay. So it is 50,000 per month. Maximum EMI that customer can get is 50,000 per month. Right? Clear? See here, it is always given to those customers who are 65, above 60 years and no other income. No other income. If somebody is having other income, then that person will not get this loan. Remember this part. Okay? This person will not get the loan. Suppose if I am the businessman, there are many of them who are above 60. You call Ambanis, Adanis, all are above 60. So they don't have other income. So any of the person who is having other income will not get this loan. This is only to those retired persons having no other income source, so they can get it from the bank. Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. You will get everything. Okay, whatever is required for clearing CIB, you will get it over here. So that's why. Firstly, download this the app. Okay, let's move on. The maximum monthly payment under the reverse mortgage. I think so. We have done this, no? Done. Yeah. Reverse mortgage loan seeks to generate income from the property dash and resided in by the dash. Means what? Reverse mortgage loan seeks to generate income from the property rented, owned. Means I'll tell you again simple examples. Here everything is easy to understand via examples. So I am the customer. Okay. I may be having one flat which I am living in. Flat. Okay. And I may be having another flat also. I can have that much because if I have earned, I can own a new flat also. Or I can have a commercial property, shop. Okay. So on which property should the bank give the loan? This is lived, where I live. This is rented. I have given it on rent, and this is also rented. Okay. So on which property should the bank give me this reverse mortgage loan? Should it give to me on this rented, or should it give to me on this shop, or should it give to me on this? Firstly, remember, if I am having a rented shop, a rented flat, or a rented shop, I won't get reverse mortgage loan. Why? Because I am having other source of income. Simple. So this is out. This is out. I can get the loan only on the flat in which I live in. So from the property owned. Owned means it is owned by me and I live in. So it should be owned by me. And who? And resided in by the young citizen or senior citizen. So if I am the customer above 60 and my son is staying in that flat, my daughter is staying in that flat, so in that case, will the bank give the reverse mortgage loan on that? No. Why? Because if my son or daughter are staying in that flat, it means what? It's a source, a sort of other income to me. Because after all, they are staying means legally they should be having a rent. So this rent is a source of income to me. So young citizen is also out. So what remains now? Only C, owned and senior citizen. Got it, everyone? Under reverse mortgage, a senior citizen aged above 60 mortgages the self-occupied residential property, owned commercial property, owned property given on rent, and none of the above. Just now I showed you these three parts. See this: flat, living, self-occupied, owned but rented, that is not allowed. Shop owned but rented, not allowed. So what is the answer over here? A, B, C. D is out. Yeah, it is A, B or C. What is the answer? What do you think should be the answer? Self-occupied? Correct? Good one. Self-occupied residential property. That is important. Now subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting all the latest updates on JAIIB, CIB, and importantly free YouTube series on all the topics of JAIIB and CIB. Free YouTube series. Free means here, what are you watching right now? Right now you are watching the same free YouTube series. Similarly for other subjects from other teachers, you'll get it. So subscribe to this, click on the bell icon. Whatever is available free, first I would suggest grab it as fast as you can, isn't it? The borrower have to repay the loan, the borrower dash have to repay the loan or interest to the lender under RM. So as I explained to you earlier, this loan is repaid by the borrower or his survivors. Correct? The loan is repaid by the survivors. The borrower does or does not. What do you say? See here, I have shown it over here again. It does not repay. Does not. The borrower does not repay the loan until his lifetime. Okay, once the lifetime is over, then the survivors of that borrower will sell that property and repay the loan to the bank. But let me clarify one point. If the borrower wishes to repay, see here, he does not have to. But if the borrower wishes to repay, suppose if I am, let's say, above 65, okay, let's say I am 70, I had taken a reverse mortgage loan earlier. Now I am having money. I don't want my survivors to repay that loan, sell my property, and I am having my own money. I can repay it. See here, the logic is like this. The borrower, if he or she wants, they can repay the loan during the lifetime also. But a bank can't make it compulsory for them to do it. That is the point. Okay. The loan, including accumulated interest under reverse mortgage, is repaid. How is it repaid? As per the process. From the proceeds of the sale of the property on the death of the borrower. From the provident fund of the customer on the death of the borrower. From the proceeds of the sale of the property when the borrower is alive. So what do you say? PF is out because you can't touch the PF of any customer. Provident fund, you can't touch it. Okay, that's the own means belonging of that customer. So either A or C. Proceeds after the death or when the borrower is alive. So the point over here is, the bank can't force that customer during his lifetime to repay the loan. So this is out. So the in part is A. From the proceeds of the sale of the property on the death of the borrower. But if the customer wants from himself or herself to repay that loan, he or she can. Okay? But bank can't force them. That is the point. For taxation purposes, reverse mortgage, the income received by the borrower would be treated as an income, would not be treated as an income, would not be treated as a loan. None of the above. So, see here, what is happening? Bank is giving me, okay, it is giving me in EMIs. All this 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, it is giving me. So, this 50,000 which I am getting, what is the amount I am getting? 50,000 into 12, right? So, per year I am getting how much? 12 by the 60, 6 lakhs, right? So, 6 lakhs I am getting from the bank per year. So, should this be treated as income or not? That is the only question. Should this be treated as income or not? That is the only basic question. So what do you say? Would be treated as income? Because after all I am receiving some money. So what do you say? Would be, okay, let me give you some hint. The answer is either A or B. Forget this. Not as a loan, would not be treated as a loan. So that is wrong. So now A or B. What do you say? Would be treated as income or would not be treated as income? It is, what say? Would not be treated as income. Why? Because what is this? Bank is giving me, it's a loan. Remember, this is C is also wrong. It would be treated as a loan. So this 50,000 amount which I am getting is a loan from the bank per month. So this is a loan. How can a loan be my income? A loan can't be an income. Okay. Do you show your home loan or personal loan as an income? No, it's a loan. Got it? The loan amount may be used by the borrower for means. What do you mean by this? Suppose if I am the borrower customer, bank gives me this amount. Bank has given me this amount, lump sum or anything. Okay, bank has given me this amount. So this 50,000 which I am getting, where will I use it? For upgradation, renovation of residential property, medical exigencies, emergencies you can call it, or speculative trading or business purpose, both A and B, and none of the above. So where can I use this income, this bank loan? Upgradation, renovation, residential, or trading and business purpose? What do you say? Okay, tell me one thing. Let me get one point. Forget this reverse mortgage loan. Any loan from the bank, theoretically, can you use it for some trading or business purpose? You take home loan from the bank, and can you use this for business purpose? You take loan against property. You take loan against securities. Any loan you take it. Personal loan. In any of the loans given by the bank, it's strictly mentioned that the loan will not be used for business or trading purpose. Because if you want a loan for business purpose, you should take a separate commercial loan. That is CC, term loan, right? You should take that. But if you are taking it in the name of any personal loan or any loan against securities, mortgage, that reverse mortgage, and you are using it for business, then you are diverting the purpose. So that's why speculative trading and business purpose is not allowed under reverse mortgage. Only it is for personal consumption, upgradation, renovation of residential, all these things. Okay. So that is the answer. Now let me come to the batches. See this. Now important part, remember, JAIIB is how many days remaining? Not even now, this is what? Not even 20 days? 20 days now, isn't it? Roughly. In 20 days if you want to prepare, then what? Many of you have not started the preparations also up till now. Or if you have started, you are not confident. Right? So how do you do this? How do you cope up with this? 20 days remaining only? I would suggest join this video batches. Video courses are available, 80% discount is available, all the 4 subjects are covered. So what do you need? It's like the live class only. It's the live class videos are given to you. So these are as good as live class videos. Okay? So you get ebooks also over here. Not only video courses, you get tests also. You get ebooks also. So once you get all these things, then what is the required now? Okay? That much is enough, isn't it? So that's why I would always suggest you to join this video courses. There's also a revision pack. Okay, you can join this revision pack also from April 22. Join this. 80% off is going on. Let me show you. I'll more focus on these video courses for you, because what happens is during the batch you have to attend it on time, and many a times what happens in our banks, we don't have time. Our times can't be managed, so you can go for these video courses then. Okay, let me show you how to get through this 80% off. Okay, so use the code Y432. Never forget this code Y432. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. If you are having the app, I would suggest, if you are having, means you should have that app. I would suggest download that app first, because you are getting 81% off in this. 1% extra you are getting. Go to JAIIB and CIB. Click on JAIIB 23. Okay, clicked. Now you'll see this batches. See this target. We have started a batch for October also. Those who are planning to give it in next session, December, October, you can go for this session also, October session. This batch is also started. You can go for this power pack batch for May. Also the video courses, go down. Okay, scroll down. You'll see this video course over here. Click on this video course. Okay. Okay, you'll get the details of the video courses, all the topics covered, what all topics from each subject are covered. Then look at the fees part, 4749. Click on more offers, put the code Y432, click on apply. Okay, look at this. Now you're getting 18999 reduces to this 4369. Now it's 77% off is going on. Okay, so use this code. 77% is not a small amount. Okay, almost what, 1/4, 3/4 is gone, isn't it? So this offer of 80% is gone right now. You can use this 77% off. Okay, use it immediately. 4369. This is a means what is this? This is an investment for lifetime, isn't it? Go for it. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye everyone. Keep studying. Okay, and do join the video courses. You are getting ebooks also over there, tests also. Yeah, use the code Y432. Never forget that.